हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम अंकित शर्मा, फाउंडर ऑफ ऑल इंडिया सोलर .in एंड आप देख रहे हैं ऑल इंडिया सोलर का यूट्यूब चैनल। एज यू नो, हमने एक पॉडकास्ट सीरीज स्टार्ट किया है जहां पर मैं उन लोगों को लेकर आता हूं जो सोलर में एक टोटली डिफरेंट काम कर रहे हैं, ताकि आप ये जान सकें कि सोलर इंडस्ट्री में अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, लेकिन उसी के लिए हैं जो एक प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर रहा है। बिकॉज अगर आप सोलर को यूज करके एक प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करेंगे तो आप अपना खुद का ही मार्केट क्रिएट करेंगे। सो हमने दो पॉडकास्ट पहले किए। ये तीसरा चैप्टर है हमारा, ये हमारा तीसरा एपिसोड है एंड वी हैव मिस्टर सानी पांड्या हु इज द फाउंडर एंड डायरेक्टर ऑफ पावर ट्री। पावर ट्री एक टोटली न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये बहुत ही अमेजिंग सोलर कॉन्सेप्ट है। प्लीज जाके इनकी वेबसाइट को चेक कीजिए एंड आगे हम इनसे बात करेंगे कि ये क्या है, कैसे इनके माइंड में आया और ये किस तरीके से इंडियन सोलर मार्केट की ग्रोथ को देखते हैं।
Thank you very much, Ankit, for the opportunity and inviting me to be a part of this wonderful initiative. Many congratulations and kudos to you for taking this initiative. India need this kind of solution and initiative which can help other entrepreneurs, inspire other entrepreneurs to start their own ventures as well as learn more about solar. So many kudos and compliments to you.
थैंक यू सर।
And to share about me, I'm the founder and CEO of Imagine Power Day Private Limited. 3 years back, I started this venture and I got inspiration. There is a sweet story about it. So I taken an admission in one of the premier energy university in Gujarat in 2011 as a chemical engineering student. Right. So basically, I'm a chemical
ओके।
engineer. Right. When that was one of the institute which was having one of the first 1 megawatt solar plant in Gujarat. Right. Where it is located near to the city of Gandhinagar. Now when we had visited in a first year that solar plant, I was total because I was not knowing solar much about solar, right? That was not part of my field. But I just as a campus tour, we just got a visit of that solar plant. When we visited the plant, I totally liked it. To go towards renewable, we are generating energy from sun, right? And I was always loving art. That's a different story that I have taken a science, right? But I was totally loving it. It's a nature which is giving us an energy. So that was one of the starting point to think about solar. But at the same time, when I continued with my study, right, I'm able to realize when we are searching for a house in a Gandhinagar city, right, the property rate was of the houses were too much high. So I was just wondering what might be the rate of the that particular land where the solar plant is installed, which is I think installing 6 acre plus land because it was one of the first plant of thin film and the various technologies were used into that plant, right? So when I was searching with my grandparents, parents, what is going to be for a house, and the rate of that house was tremendously high because it's a city area, right? So at that time realize, oh my god, the solar is good, but at the same time that plant of 6 acre land, what is going to be the cost of land, right? It is going to be insane, right? And then I started to do a back study where I'm able to find that the value of land was 10 times higher than the cost of the solar project plant, right, in 2010, which is now 20 times or 30 times higher than the solar plant cost, right? And the plant is going to be for next 25 years in that particular place. So we are not able to do anything in that particular place, right? So this was the reason where we started to thought of to find some solution for it. तो वहां पे क्या होता है यार कि so that was the first phase of a journey, right, where we started to realize this is a big market opportunity, and then there is a need of a solution of this particular problem. At the same time, when because my one of the first venture was establishing a business incubation center in Pandit Dindayal Petro University to support startups. I was one of the co-founder over there. Uh, so my one of the colleagues started the power tree as a business because power tree was a concept which was booming in the foreign countries, which was initially meant for beautification purpose, right? For installing solar, that's small solar system in the gardens and that kind of places, right, where it can just give a beautification to the solar. So that project started by my colleague. We installed one solar tree in Ahmedabad Riverfront in 2014, which was highlighted in the Ahmedabad Riverfront page. But after that, my colleague went to Canada for pursuing his master's. I was working full time with the incubation center. So that idea was closed for approximate 4 years, right? So no one was working on that idea. At the same time, when I was working with incubation center, I have thought of to start because I wanted to experience the entrepreneurship again, right? That was me, right? So I again started off by kind of taken over that clothes project, right? That was doing nothing that was in the kind of in the buckets. So I have taken over it, started to understand that visualization where I felt because solar is a need of our, but our cities, urban locations, it's not feasible options because the land cost is very much higher side. So I realized, am I able to convert this solar in a big form, in a tree kind of form? Uh, which can consume a very less space in the ground at the same time provide good benefits of solar to everyone, right? And when we go for in a city area, it's also need of having a beautification into it. So that was the kind of inspiration of starting a venture where I'm able to realize that was a close venture which I have taken off after doing job for 4.5 years with the PDPU, and the rest is journey. So we had a good journey of 3 years. I think I'm going to share with you as we talk in this podcast.
So thank you, sir, for telling us about कि start कहाँ से हुआ. Another thing is what I like about the solar tree. First of all, there are certain things from last couple of years I'm learning about the microgrids and how these microgrids are going to change the face of Indian renewable energy. आज नहीं तो कल microgrids आने ही हैं और market को इन्होंने change करना है because we cannot depend on utility level grid. लोकल
Absolutely.
लोकल माइक्रो ग्रिड्स का बनना बहुत जरूरी है, कम्युनिटी लेवल ग्रिड्स का बनना बहुत जरूरी है, एंड द वे टेक्नोलॉजी इज इवॉल्विंग, IoT devices are coming up. So developing microgrids and then interconnecting each other with each other, connecting a network and developing an interconnected grid of small microgrid solar solutions are going to play a very important role in the Indian energy sector. So
Absolutely.
second thing जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, that aesthetic. This solution is giving a aesthetic as well because nowadays अब लोगों ने खासकर मिडिल लेवल के जो लोग होते हैं उन्होंने अब एस्थेटिक्स पे ध्यान देना शुरू किया है. पहले
Very true.
जो मिडिल लेवल के एवरेज अर्निंग लोग होते थे वो एस्थेटिक्स पे ध्यान नहीं देते थे. They just
Very
wanted something जो उनके पर्पस को फुलफिल कर दे एंड इवेंचुअली उनके पॉकेट लेवल को भी बैलेंस रखे. बट नाउ they are looking into aesthetics as well. So this product is good in looking as well. It is solving a purpose. So thank you for developing this particular project. And how many solar trees you have installed till now?
So we have installed 40 plus solar tree and having a pipeline of 20 plus as of now, which we are installing in various places. So we installed 40 plus solar tree as of now, where we also have hold a world record by installing world's highest capacity solar tree of 16 kilowatt, which is a huge, which is insane, right? In 2 square feet of ground area, we are able to achieve 16 kilowatt. Uh,
Yeah.
so we installed that in a Vapi. We broke a record of the Premium Institute, which made a few months back. So we are also proud of it. So that is something
Congratulations, sir.
which we have done. Yeah.
So they when I was looking at this particular product, एक दिमाग में मेरे क्वेश्चन आया, like लोगों के पास छत छोटा होता है.
Right.
So can this particular tree be installed on the rooftop?
Yes. So we are already doing it. So we already installed in 2 houses as alpha launch.
Okay.
In one in Ahmedabad, one in Gandhinagar, where they were
Okay.
having a very little space in the rooftop area, and they wanted to go for solar. They wanted to have a 3 kilowatt system in the same space, right? Which was
Okay.
not possible with the traditional system, and we enabled them to do it. So that was an alpha launch. We have not launched in a full fledged. We are coming up with very interesting product which is going to revolutionize the entire solar rooftop market in month of January during the Vibrant Gujarat. We are going to launch a new product. I'm not going to say much about it because we are planning to launch in
No
January.
issues, sir. No issues.
I'm pretty much sure that is going to revolutionize the way the solar rooftop market works in India.
Great, sir. Great, sir. We'll look forward to it. Okay. So coming back to your products, आपके जैसे product show कर रहे हैं, solar tree है. Now you have listed solar tree for EV charging as well. Now that is something which is new. EV इंडिया में ग्रो कर रहा है एंड EV चार्जिंग स्टेशंस का एक बहुत बड़ा इशू आने वाला है. द वे पीपल आर बाइंग एंड रजिस्टरिंग EV, I know, and we know that the charging stations are not there, the infrastructure is not there. And
Right.
nowadays, like people are also thinking about क्या solar में उतनी power है that can we develop a solar based EV charging station. So you have listed that particular product. So what you would say
Yes.
about it?
Sure, it's very interesting because the entire world is moving towards net zero. People are moving towards electric vehicles, right? People are now installing chargers at various places. The infrastructure started to have it at various places. But one of the important components is missing from the industry, right? Which is a power source, right? Which is going to be the next generation oil for the electric vehicles. So if you are having electric vehicles, if you install chargers of any of the companies, right, the major challenge is going to be what kind of source you are using to charge it, right? You are using renewable source, you are using non-renewable source, right? If you are using non-renewable source, ultimately there is no meaning to going towards uh, electric vehicles. Ultimately you're doing the same kind of a emission. The only change is you are from a decentralized pollution, so you're coming to a centralized pollution, right? So so one of the very important component which majority of the EV companies or the players are not focused is a power source. That is where we play a role. That is where our company plays a role, right? If you want a power source, a reliable power source, power from renewable, power from solar, our solar is an ideal solution. Why? Because for an example, if you want to install solar in a highways, right, and you want to have a charging station over there, you can install a solar tree with a 6 meter plus height clearance, right, of a 10 kilowatt. You can have a level of 1 and 2 chargers. If you install multiple solar trees of 10 kilowatt, around 4 to 5 solar trees, right, and you can interconnect it, you can have a DC fast charging stations. And the other benefit is because we all know, right, the recently solar broke a world record by it become one of the cheapest source of the electricity in the world. So it
Yeah,
means it is cheaper than the coal. It's cheaper than the any other non-renewable source of energy as well as the renewable source of energy, right? So it became the
very
cheapest
good.
source of the electricity in the world. Why not to go for it, right? What stops us, right? So for an example, so that is why we are focusing on creating a power source for charging next generation electric vehicles, right? We can use chargers of any of the companies, so we are not competing with the chargers. We are not competing with the any electric vehicle manufacturers, right? We are a power source company, and that is where we uniquely defined ourselves. And solar charging, renewable integrated charging is a need of our, because
Yeah,
decarbonization of the transportation is very important factor where majority of players are focusing, but they are missing the
yeah,
link. When you see
yeah,
the last 100 years, they are led by the oil and natural gas companies, right? The petroleum companies. Why?
sure.
Because they were making the fuel for the vehicles, fuel for the running our source.
Yes,
Next 100 years or next 50 years are going is going for the renewable integrated transportation area. That is what we are
yes.
exactly working on, and that is where we believe there is a good market opportunity. That is a good scope of creating an impact, and our solution is an ideal fit for charging electric vehicles. Yes, Sangeet,
Yeah.
this is what.
So yeah, it's really impressive. Like, it is really amazing that, of course, the key point which you mentioned कि EV चार्जिंग स्टेशन तो है, बट उसके लिए पावर कहाँ से आएगा? हम अभी भी ग्रिड से कनेक्टेड हैं. हमारी डिपेंडेबिलिटी अभी भी ग्रिड पे है जो कि कोल बेस्ड पावर जनरेट करता है, तो हमें सोलर बेस्ड पे आना पड़ेगा. नाउ
Right.
टॉकिंग अबाउट द सोलर ट्री, जहां तक अभी मैंने देखा, जितने भी आई कैन बी रॉन्ग, लाइक जितने भी आपने इंस्टॉलेशन किए, लाइक मोस्टली वुड बी फॉर द कम्युनिटी पर्पस, राइट? Like if we take a ratio, like, oh, let us say 60% would be for the community purpose and 40% for the uh, personal and residential purpose. Like people are only, okay, I want the solar tree in my campus, so you put it, I'll be using the power. When we talk about the community kind of solution, now battery storage is the important thing. So is it a grid connected or off grid?
So we have both the options for solar tree, right? It depends on totally on which area you're installing. So because battery technologies are not matured enough yet, right? it
Sure.
is it is in peak time, but still there is a need of a solution, right, which we can say this is a mature solution for a battery technology. So as of now, our majority installations are on grid installations where we connect to the
Okay.
grid, we do a power offset, right? And that helps client to also to reduce the capital cost required to install solar tree, right? So that is one way of it. At the same time, what we are also focusing on, making it a hybrid. So how hybrid help is it works as a generator, it works as an emergency power source, right? So when
Yes,
the grid
yes.
is not available, when lights goes down, right, we are also installing some of the solar tree which are hybrid solar trees, right? where it can work as a generator, so your necessary items can be run. So
Yeah.
imagine a situation, right? If you're driving electric vehicles and if there's a challenge, your for an example, for 3 hours there is no light in Ahmedabad. The grid is down,
Hmm.
right? So it is going to be chaos, right? You need an emergency power source like this, which is
Right.
powered from solar, where you can charge your vehicles, charge your phones, charge
Yes.
any kind of emergency power source, right? We have to be ready with it. So this is where the solar
That's why
tree.
I asked this question. Yeah,
So this
that's
is
why, because when we
at the
talk
same.
about,
Yeah.
so whenever we talk about the microgrids in the western side, in the European countries, in western countries, we have a thing which we don't have in India, that is variable tariff. Like day wise there is a variable tariff which we don't have in India. Now we are
Okay.
talking about microgrids, we are talking about interconnected microgrids which are hybrid. It means आपको जब पावर चाहिए इमरजेंसी में, यू कैन टेक इट फ्रॉम हियर, यू पावर ग्रिड में ही नहीं जा रही, बैटरी में भी स्टोर हो रही है. Now this thing is leading towards the variable tariff, right? For example, if I am putting a solar tree at my home,
Right.
and hybrid, मैंने hybrid बना रखा है, एंड मेरे पड़ोस में कोई पर्सन है, उसका ग्रिड से कनेक्टेड है, नॉर्मल लाइट है, लाइट चलेगी, उन्हें लाइट
Right.
चाहिए. So I'll be able to sell it. Now that would come with the variable tariff जो मैं खुद टैरिफ डालना चाहता हूँ. या
Yes.
फिर
Yes.
मैं
Yes.
एक दो चार, मैं अपने 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 गांव में जाकर अपना खुद का एक वेंचर लॉन्च करता हूँ, जहां पर मैं 5-6 सोलर ट्री का एक इंटरकनेक्टेड नेटवर्क बना देता हूँ, और उससे अपने गांव के लोगों को ही एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से नेटवर्क में कनेक्ट करके स्मार्ट मीटर से मैं खुद बिजली बेच रहा हूँ. एंड
Yes. Yes.
अगेन वो ऐसे कनेक्टेड है कि अगर पॉइंट ए पर डिमांड ज्यादा हो रही है एंड पॉइंट सी पर डिमांड कम है, तो मैं वहां से इधर दे रहा हूँ,
Absolutely.
इंटरकनेक्टेड. तो ये सब चीजें वेरिएबल टैरिफ की तरफ जा रहा है. सो माय क्वेश्चन इज इंडिया रेडी फॉर वेरिएबल टैरिफ एज ऑफ नाउ?
So, to be frank and honest, not now, right? It is not ready yet because our grids are not capable enough. They are not smart, right? There is a need. There is a strong need of making it smart. And the way
Yeah.
India announced that all their meters are going to be smart meters in next 1 or 2 years, I think India is moving that towards that direction. But it is going to take a time. That is one. But at the same time, this if we are not able to make it 100% commercially viable as of now, right? But that is the future. That is the future. But what I believe, what can be done with this is, so in India there are some kind of peak hours. For an example, 7 to 9 at the evening is a peak hour time in
Yeah.
entire country. People are watching TVs. People are now, so it's a peak hour timing, right? Where people use majority of the electricity in that time. At this
Yeah.
time, this micro, right? These microgrids can work for balancing our grids and reducing their own kind of electricity consumption, which is taken from a grid, right? So there is a scope in that particular that kind of time zones where the peak hour demand load is very much high, and we want to do a grid balancing. I think this concept of microgrids is going to work really well into that particular area for doing a grid balancing, because this is also working as a decentralized storage systems in places where
Exactly.
the power
Exactly.
connected system.
Yeah, when we talk about microgrids, it opens up a lot of opportunities. Like I have done a case study of multiple companies जो microgrid setup करते हैं, and their
Right.
power generation capacity is just 2 kilowatt, and from 2 kilowatt they are giving up electricity to 15 to 20 houses. So, and
Right.
they have their own smart meters. So it
Yes.
is creating an opportunity for someone like who can invest, like okay, 2 किलोवाट 1.5 लाख का आता है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से पूरा सेटअप बनाने में, सब कुछ कराने में लेट अस से 3 लाख लगता है. सो आई कैन बी एन पावर, आई कैन बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर वेयर मैं ये सेटअप करता हूँ, मैं खुद बिजली बेच रहा हूँ. सो इट इज क्रिएटिंग एन काइंड ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वेयर समवन इज एक्चुअली बिकमिंग अ पावर डेवलपर. तो माइक्रो
Well,
ग्रिड्स के साथ बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज ओपन अप हो जाती है. Energy
yes, yes, yes.
trading is something which I would like to know from you.
Absolutely.
Energy trading.
So energy trading is the future, but I will say in a different kind of terms.
Okay.
So in USA, there is a concept called as community solar, right? If
Yes.
you're aware about it, right? It's basically not energy trading, but yes, it is in some kind of a form. So what basically that community solar means, anyone can install or have a solar system which is near to their cities, right? In the area where the land cost is lower side, and the community solar enable people who are staying in the buildings, high-rise buildings, third floor, sixth floor, eighth floor. companies which are having offices in second floor, third floor, right, which they are never going to shift towards solar, right. The community solar concept enable them to be a part of that microgrid or that community solar farm which is installed in the nearby area, right, to be part of it. So now what I believe, because they are not generating the electricity, at the same time they have some rights into that particular place, right. They
Yes.
that might be subscription based right, that might be a capital investment based right, that
Yes.
might be a cryptocurrency based right. No one knows what is
Yes.
going to be the future, right. So they have
Yeah.
some rights in that particular solar farm. So what I want to say is the energy trading is the future, right, where you generate from one place, where in India there is a model for industries where industry has a RESCO model, open access model, group captive policies. Carbon credit is the now is taking a good shape, right, where people and the foreign countries have started to move towards purchasing good carbon credits from Indian big solar farms, right. Uh, Still I believe there is scope of improvement in this particular area where India is lacking behind as a country. I'm not focusing on one company, but if you're able to have some streamlined mechanism for energy trading, it is going to be a great support for the people who actually needs this energy the most, right. Who is going to stay in the flats, right. The rich people are going to stay in the bungalows, they're going to have bungalows, right,
Yeah.
and they're going to have a job, they're able to have access to that. But there are people who are going to stay in the flats. Actually, solar energy is meant for them, but they are never able to go for it. So what I
Yes.
also want to point is solar energy is right. It's not the choice, right? It's the
Yeah.
right of the people who are not able, who actually needs it. And I sadly want to like to say that we have a RESCO policies in some of the areas in the country. We have some of the policy, but there is a still community solar policy in India is missing, right. There is no state
Yes.
in the country having a community solar policy yet, right, where I believe for going net zero, for making our kind of medium household families to save their money which can be invested in the medical purpose if they are able to save from energy trading or a community solar or that kind of innovative mechanism is going to play a very crucial and important role for it, where as a country, as a young entrepreneurs, we have to focus and we have to make sure that we find some solutions which can be implemented to our country and can be taken forward. So I will give a simple example. I was talking to one of the guy in Mumbai where we find a very interesting problem. So there is a kind of a area called as what so it is where the in Andheri and that kind of area where there is very slum area is there in Mumbai, right.
Dharavi.
Where Dharavi is the area, right? Where we find a particularly different kind of problem over there. The challenge over there is they want to have a solar panels in their houses, right? But the challenge, their house is not meant. They are not pakka houses. They are made for a
Yes.
patra ka wo bana hua hai. It's not possible to install 22 kg plus single solar panels. 60 plus kg is going to be there for 1 kilowatt system. It's not feasible to have it on their places, right? So what we are exploring now with help of solar tree, if we're able to make microgrid or a community solar, where we install
Mhm.
10 or 8 to 10 or 15 solar tree over there, where it can power multiple 100 or 200 houses, right?
Mhm.
By doing a virtual metering or by doing a energy trading or net metering, any terms which we can tell us, right? It is going to be a game changer for this particular community, which can uplift their own lives, right? Where we
Yeah.
are also now as a segment where people see solar tree as a beautification product, but still there is a need of this kind of people where they don't have a space or they don't have a roof to install solar plants, and that is where we are also focusing on. So this is energy trading is going to help this kind of people as well who need the most,
Yeah. That's
right.
Yeah. So coming back to the point जो आपने बीच में mention किया था open access. Now open access is growing in India, but as of now अभी भी जो clients है open access के they are more than 1 megawatt. But the
Right.
way if we see microgrids are a kind of open access market, like छोटे छोटे grid
Right.
बनाओ आपस में energy trading करो, they are developing. So how long you see like कि okay इतने time के बाद छोटे developers, like for example someone who need a 500 kilowatt of power, or someone like 200 kilowatt, or someone say 100 kilowatt of power, those
Okay.
client can also be a part of open access using these microgrids. कितना time लगेगा इतना आने में?
So I want to be very simple and clear about it. Very simple, right? So कितना टाइम लगा था इंडिया को नोटबंदी में कैश से वर्चुअल आने में,
एक
right?
महीना?
Right, in a month, right, in a
Yeah.
month, because
In
Prime
a
Minister
month.
announced in 8th November, he announced that India, we are going to have Notbandi.
Hmm.
You know how PTM is able to grow in that particular 1 month, and other
Yeah.
any other any virtual company is able to grow, right?
Yes.
What I want to highlight is, right, if the strong decisions taken by the MNRE or the decision makers or the policy makers or particular
Hmm.
states, right, it's a
Hmm.
matter of hours.
Yeah.
Uh, it's a matter of hours because everyone wants a cheap source of electricity, boss. Everyone wants it.
Yeah.
If you ask Mukesh Ambani, he wants a cheap electricity or not, he's going to say I want it, right? As
Yes.
a business, no one's going to say no. And solar is the cheapest source of electricity. Who doesn't want it, right?
Yeah.
All small businesses, everyone wants it. So it's a transition from kind of a what I simply say is open access is kind of going a virtual from a cash, right? It's a simple transition which is going to be required, but it's a policy level decision which needs to be taken by the government to allow people to do it, right? It's
Exactly.
just we have to correct that monopolized market of utility companies which is created in India. I'm strongly
Hmm.
against it because they are monopolizing the market. So I'm sitting in the Gandhinagar, I only have to access to the torrent. India has a one grade where which is this given on the rent to these companies, right? I
Hmm.
strongly and firmly believe it's not any individual's property; it's nation's property. A grid is nation's
Yes.
property, so the rights can be shared equally, right?
Hmm.
So I might have a chance to subscribe to a solar plant made by Ankit Sharma in a Madhya Pradesh, whatever if I'm sitting in a Gujarat, right? So
Yeah.
this should be a policy. This should be a right. This not should be a kind of
Because
a
in the recent budget, the finance minister told, she openly said that now the consumers will have right to choose from where their power is coming. So basically what is happening, those are the 2003 electricity act which enable people to generate power but not allow them to sell it. Now it is
so
reforming that, okay, you can generate power and you can sell it by yourself. So I think
yes,
the solar market in the last couple of years, Indian solar market is growing at a very rapid rate. But yet, I'm very sad to say that people still think that solar का business है तो बस solar panel बेचो. They don't think in a way कि एक problem को solve करना है.
absolutely,
शायद अगर
absolutely.
वो ये समझ जाए कि एक प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना है, because I have in my journey of starting All India Solar, I have met people like who have actually solved a problem. They created a market of their own. कोई किसी
Good.
पॉलिसी किसी सब्सिडी से मतलब नहीं है. Their clients are
Absolutely.
very happy because they are able to
Absolutely.
solve a problem.
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
I think whomsoever I met, 60 to 70% were from the microgrids only. So that is something which I strongly feel like, okay, मैं इस पे study करना शुरू किया
Absolutely.
because microgrids are the future.
Microgrids are the future at the same time because so grid is also good, right? Because in the case of emergency, in case so it's a hybrid system which we are
Yeah.
going to uh, our
So
country is going to need
microgrids and grids are need to be balanced. It need to be balanced. The thing,
to be
nothing. It's
balanced.
not like only microgrids are important or utility grids are. Both need to be balanced. Like
Well
that
balanced.
would be said. So
Yes.
coming back to your solar tree, like जैसे मैंने आपसे पूछा कि किसको ये अपने घर के छत पर लगाना चाहता है, you said there is an alpha project आपने launch किया है.
Right.
The structure, strength,
Right.
and इसकी
Right.
protection, वो माइंड में आया. फिर आपने जब बोला कि लगाया, कि आपने लगाया है, तो जाहिर सी बात है नॉर्मल इंस्टॉलेशन की तरह तो है नहीं.
No,
तो
it's not.
जाहिर सी बात है, तो इसका जो व्हाट वी से द एनालिसिस जो था, इसका जो एनालिसिस रहा होगा वो डिफरेंट वे में रहा होगा. जो इसका
Absolutely.
प्रॉब्लमेटिक्स आ सकते हैं, तो उसके बारे में बता सकते हैं, और वी हैव टू वेट टिल जनवरी.
So I can say it because uh, uh, so it's kind of a when people some people made a Burj Khalifa, right? They must have done an analysis. It is going to survive the wind speed or not, right? It's kind of a
Yes.
similar journey because there was no software available which was saying that this is how it is going to work, right? So there was some software like
Yeah.
Stephen which can do a structural engineering, right? But at the same time, there is no software. The PVCs only work on the straight kind of surface. They don't work on the multiple different kind of arrangements, everything, right? Uh, yes, it was kind of a challenge, but it's entrepreneur's job role. It's a key role is finding a solution of a problem, right? It's a job of role of
Exactly.
entrepreneur. That's what we do. So we do all kind of so we take care of all necessary precautions. So we take care of 150 plus kilometer hour. Also, depending on the location, if we need to have more, right? We'll have that wind load capacity into it, right? That is one. We also take care of the generation part. We do all kind of simulations and everything. We also provide generation guarantee to our clients. So that is also well taken care. Installation is also very well kind of the trained team is there to do installations. It's not simple solar installer who are doing it. They are specialized teams doing the installation work for a solar tree, right? At the same time, it's the feedback mechanism. So we talk a client a lot, right? After installation, after 15 days, 20 days, I personally also involved in that journey with my kind of a team where we take a feedback. Is your feedback to improve, right? So we can
Yeah.
be one of the best in the market, because in market the competition is very high. All the rooftop players want to be something else, right? So initially all the electric person want to become a solar contractors, all solar contractors want to become Adani, all Adani want to become Ambani. So everyone want to be something, right? The only difference between us and them is innovation which we are able to bring, and that is what we are focusing on. We take care of the all the components as a safety factors which is going to be required. At the same time, we make sure that we are making Tesla. So the Tesla, it's IoT enabled, where we can have multiple operation remotely. That is what
Yeah.
we are also working on to bring in solar tree. So anything which is coming in future, we are able to do it remotely to our solar tree as well. So for that, you have to wait
That is
till
great. That, yeah, I'm gonna wait. That's it. So the last question which I'm gonna ask, of course, ये थोड़ा सा अलग होने वाला है. Like when I see solar tree, like I see a structure, उसके ऊपर solar panel लगे हुए हैं, and then I something hit in my mind that we have some similar structure throughout India which are not in use. The
right.
the lamp post, हाईवे पे
So,
जो बड़े बड़े लैंप पोस्ट होते हैं उनका कोई यूज नहीं है. So can
okay.
those posts be converted into solar trees? I know
So
it's a totally different question.
it's a totally different question. It's kind of a, so there is a two perspective into it, right? I will just give an example of one of the problem which we solved for one of the client, right? It's in the similar line, so we are able to analyze. So the challenge was one of the government client of us, uh, having a 300 plus street lights in the industrial area, right? So he was owning a 300 plus street lights. He has to maintain that street lights, right? And that street light was LED street lights, but now they wanted to towards solar. So they were having two options before us. One option was they install solar panels on each pole. That is one. They can have a battery system on each pole. That is two, right? And they do a power offset by installing each pole. Is it reduces? The other option was, uh, so they connect all the street lights with the meter connections, and they install solar plant which is in their industrial office, which is 20 kilometers from the particular place. They take wires and everything over there, and they do a power offset, right?
Hmm.
What we provided them as a solution, right? We installed one solar tree in a footpath area, provided 6 meter height clearance, right, where all the vehicles can pass on, and
Hmm.
it can offset power requirement of 152 street lights.
Okay.
So, what to answer to your particular question, right? We don't need to convert all the street light poles into a solar tree. One all the poles to a solar tree. One pole is enough to power that 150 plus poles. So remove that poles or have street
Yeah.
lights into it, right? Instead of one solar tree and do a power offset. Very simple,
That.
right? Don't go for a multiple maintenance kind of stuff. There is a possibility of theft of everything, and there is in India there are multiple kind of problems that we
Yes.
do a
Yes.
public, right? Don't go for it. Install one solar tree which is theft proof in a roadside area, 6 meter height clear, do a net metering of all your street lights, poles, everything, and convert it to a kind of power source. Very simple and
That
neat.
is. That is great, sir. Thank you for all this information. I believe लोगों को थोड़ा समझ में आएगा कि why it is important to analyze the market and explore how solar can solve a problem. Because तभी
Absolutely.
market grow करेगा, तभी आपके पास clients आएंगे. Otherwise, like like people like all the marketing guys, they say अगर आप वही करोगे जो दूसरे कर रहे हैं, तो there would always be a chance that someone will come with a cheaper solution, वो आपका client लेके चला जाएगा. But if you are solving a problem, then it means you are creating an marketplace for you. वो प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्यूशन किसी को चाहिए होगा, वो आएगा, वो अपने साथ और भी लोग लेकर आएगा. तो थैंक यू फॉर दिस developing this entire concept of solar tree. This is totally amazing, and I'm going to wait for January आपका जो दूसरा लॉन्च होने वाला है. I would like to see क्या क्या चीजें हैं, and then we'll do other podcast as well about that as well. So this is
I hope
amazing.
we are launching in a Vibrant Gujarat. That is what we are planning as of now, which is, so if you're visiting Gujarat, Vibrant Gujarat is the best time to visit Gujarat. Have a visit at that time. We'll have coffee over here.
Sure, 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 sure.
We'll have a solar powered coffee over here, so we can charge
Of
that.
course, I would love to. I would love to.
Yes, yes. Thanks, Sanket. Thanks a lot for the opportunity.
थैंक यू सर फॉर शेयरिंग ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन। बहुत ही अमेजिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन आपने शेयर की। हमें जानने को मिला कि सोलर में किस तरह से अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्रिएट होती हैं एंड वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज कैसे न्यू मार्केट पॉसिबिलिटीज हमको ला कर देते हैं। सो एट द एंड वुड लाइक टू से, लाइक प्लीज रिपीट विथ मी, जय जवान जय किसान एंड जय सूर्यवान, प्लीज।
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, and Jai Shrivan.
थैंक यू सर।